Hey everyone, if your Vercel GitHub integration is not working in 2026, like repositories not syncing, deployments not triggering, or connection errors, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel GitHub integration issue step by step. First, open Vercel and go to the integrations section. Make sure GitHub is properly connected to your account. Next, reauthorize GitHub access. Sometimes permissions expire or need to be renewed. Now check your repository permissions. Vercel must have access, especially for private repositories. After that, disconnect and reconnect your project to GitHub. This refreshes the integration link completely. Next, verify your branch settings. Make sure the correct branch, like main or master, is selected for deployment. Now check GitHub webhooks. Without webhooks, Vercel cannot receive updates from your repository. After that, remove the project from Vercel and re-import it again. This often fixes broken sync issues. Finally, clear cache and redeploy your project. This ensures everything syncs properly with GitHub. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel GitHub integration issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your project should sync and deploy correctly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners. Hey,